So in this video, we will talk about what is an icebreaker and when and how to use it. How often have you been in a meeting with people you have never met, where introductions are forgotten and people get down to business, forgetting to build rapport and have fun? Could even be worse if your company doesn't support video, where it's really hard to put name to a face and build relationships. As a result, many meetings and workshops can be draining, awkward, and lack human connection. Icebreaker is a quick activity to kick off your next meeting or workshop. It helps get people warmed up, teams to get to know each other, feel comfortable with each other, and have some fun. It works great for both in-person or remote situations. If you're facilitating your team's weekly meeting, try to use a quick icebreaker question like, would you rather be cold or hot? Would you rather eat sweets and sour? If you're facilitating a cross-functional workshop, try to use a team-building icebreaker that helps your team to get to know each other. Examples could be, what was your first job? What is the awkward object you own? In addition to getting your teams talking, the icebreakers can create a shared experience and connection, build trust and psychological safety between team members, help your team to get to know each other and build empathy for one another, get your team used to experiment in a low-risk way, improve the remote engagement, and help teams have fun. Running an icebreaker is extremely easy. It doesn't require a lot of tools. All you need is a facilitator, a timer, paper and writing utensils. And this is great not just when you're in person, but also remote, and can be a much needed break from staring at a screen. Video conferencing tool and virtual whiteboarding tool, depending on the exercise. Keep it short, up to 10 minutes. The last thing you want to do is to spend too much time on an icebreaker and rush through the rest of the agenda. In the future videos, I will give you a few examples of the icebreakers. If you like the content, subscribe below.